Are you having problems with lag on your eFootball and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually I had a lot of problems with this myself and this is how I fixed it. So firstly, we're going to exit eFootball and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So just go into your settings app. In here, we're just going to scroll down and then click on general. In here, scroll down again and click on storage, as you can see. And now we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of more seconds here. And now swipe up until you can see the search bar up top. Click on search, search for eFootball right here and click on it. Now you're just going to simply click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here. We're just going to wait now a couple of seconds for it to load. So we're just going to wait a couple of more seconds. Now click on the reinstall app button. And basically now just simply wait for it to completely update to its latest version. Might take you a couple of minutes, by the way, but when it's done, go back and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.